Hey guys, I have a master lock commercial here. Nothing very special about it. It's a #1 master lock, and we're just gonna pick it open. Let's see what we got here. I use these guys for top of the keyway. We could try top of the keyway. Let's begin with bottom of the keyway. And it's a pick I made in 20 thousandths. I believe this fits that keyway. Let's see here. It does. You always got to watch right here. See this rivet? I've gotten stuck here before where, see, is that focusing? Where the, if you push it too far in, then the turning tool will hit the rivet here. I think you guys can see that. Are we focusing? All right. Here we go. Put that on 1, 2, 3, 4's binding. Looks like 1's binding. 2. And there you go. Not much to it. So I had written here, looks like 1, 4, 3, 2, but I just did 4, 1, 2. How about that? It's a good Pittsburgh combination. Master lock commercial. Alright, should we try it top of the keyway? Let's see here. Let's use maybe this guy. And use the less steep hook here. Let's see what we can do. Maybe the binding order in top of the keyway is 1, 4, 3, 2. Let's see. No. Okay, I felt 4, but it didn't quite go in. Let's see about 1. Oh, that was 1. Oh, that's the exact same. Oh, shoot! I lost it. Let's see if I still have it. No, I don't. It's the exact same. That guy's not really staying in there, is he? It was the exact same combination as bottom of the keyway. Isn't that interesting? Let's try this tool here. See if this stays in any better. I like to sometimes give it a little tap. Keep it in there. It's the advantage of having a metal handle, so you can tap stuff. 1, 2, 3, or those 2, and that was 3. Okay. There you go. Master lock commercial. Pick 2 different ways. How about that? Catch me outside. All right, see you guys.